Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Snapchat how to fix 404 error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app and here scroll down, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. And now here, once it loads, scroll down and then tap on Snapchat. And inside Snapchat, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again. And what this does is resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And now instead of this upload app, you'll find an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, go back and try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on search bar and then type in Snapchat. Once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so simply updating the app will fix the issue. That's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.